Do your hands sometimes feel tingly, your legs weaker than they used to be, or your joints stiffer with every passing year? If so, you're not alone. Many people over 60 notice the same struggles. While it's easy to think it's just normal aging, one of the hidden reasons is actually the loss of collagen. By the age of 65, most adults have lost around a third of this vital protein. Collagen is what cushions your joints, protects nerves, and keeps muscles supported. When it breaks down, circulation slows, tingling begins, and moving freely becomes harder. Here's the encouraging part: you don't need pricey powders or fancy pills. Nature has already provided us with vegetables rich in the exact nutrients your body needs to rebuild collagen on its own. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 powerful vegetables that every senior should add to their meals. But first, let me ask you something. Do you feel these issues more in your hands or in your legs? Share your answer in the comments. My team and I read them all, because your story really does matter. And before we dive in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell. We share simple, science-backed tips to help you stay active, stronger, and more confident with age. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Spinach. It might look simple, but spinach is a true powerhouse. This leafy green is rich in magnesium, a mineral that plays a key role in repairing nerves and stimulating collagen formation. It also helps muscles contract and relax smoothly, which can stop those sudden leg cramps at night. On top of that, a cup of spinach gives you vitamin A, iron, and folate, nutrients that boost circulation and steady your energy. Add spinach to salads, omelets, or stir-fries a few times a week, and you'll notice a difference. Number 2. Parsley. Most people think of parsley as just a garnish, but it's actually a collagen champion. Parsley is packed with vitamin C, and without vitamin C, your body can't weave together the collagen fibers that keep your skin, joints, and blood vessels strong. It also contains antioxidants that calm nerve irritation, reducing that pins and needles feeling. Try adding fresh parsley to soups, pasta, or even blend it into smoothies. It's an easy upgrade with big benefits. Number 3. Kale. Kale is often called one of the most nutrient-dense vegetables in the world, and for good reason. It protects collagen from breaking down while delivering vitamin K to improve circulation. Better blood flow means oxygen and nutrients reach your muscles and joints more efficiently. Kale is also loaded with lutein, an antioxidant that safeguards both your eyes and skin, both of which rely on collagen. Seniors who eat kale regularly often report less stiffness and more energy throughout the day. Number 4. Beets. These bright red roots are circulation boosters. Beets contain natural nitrates that expand your blood vessels, helping nutrients move faster to your nerves and joints. When circulation improves, the collagen your body makes can actually reach the tissues that need it most. Beets also reduce inflammation, making them especially good for sore legs and stiff hands. You can roast them, juice them, or toss them into a salad. They're surprisingly sweet and versatile. Number 5. Red bell peppers. This one may surprise you. Many assume collagen only comes from animal products, but red peppers are one of the best plant-based collagen supporters out there. They hold more vitamin C than an orange and contain carotenoids that protect existing collagen from breaking down. Together, they help ease tingling, weakness, and stiffness while also improving skin and vision. Toss red peppers into a stir-fry, layer them in an omelet, or simply snack on them raw. It's one of the simplest ways to strengthen your body from within. And there you have it. 5 everyday vegetables that can help restore collagen naturally. Each one is affordable, easy to find, and backed by science. By including them in your diet, you can improve blood flow, reduce stiffness, and regain the confidence to move freely every day. Thank you for watching. Stay active, stay strong, and for more natural health tips, don't forget to subscribe and share this video with someone who could benefit.